Hey family, welcome back to another video, and if y'all new here, it's a blessing to have y'all here. Welcome to the family. Welcome. So today I have for y'all floating presents. Watch me create this illusion of different presents, like asymmetrical and stacked on top of each other. I made this last year, and this is how it looked last year, but I wanted to recreate it my own this year, so I just changed the bow color and added new wrapping paper. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I achieved this, then stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I started off by figuring out where I want the presents to go, and I'm also using like a broomstick. This is gonna be the foundation of everything, and this is what I'll be using. Last year I had like the broomstick that have like the bottom dustpan attached to it, but this time I'm just gonna see how it's gonna be with just the broomstick itself. So I'm taking like any old boxes. This is a Walmart box that I'm using, and I'm just basically changing the wrapping paper for the bottom base for the bottom present. So there I go. I'm just picking out the wrapping paper that I want. I kind of wanted something like silver to kind of match my living room decor. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just basically going to wrap this up as I will a regular present. But now the thing is, I didn't show you guys, but there is a hole at the top of this box, and that's where I'll be sticking the broomstick in so that this could stay up. So this is going to be the first bottom present, basically like our base part. So yeah, once I just wrap that in, you will see me putting the broomstick inside. Alright y'all, so once I have the bottom part wrapped up, remember when I told y'all there was a hole at the bottom of the thing, so I'm just poking the hole through the top, and then I'm putting the broomstick in the middle. And then what y'all see me doing now is I'm adding tape to kind of secure that broom in place. I'm just adding it like kind of on the broomstick, sticking onto the box as well, onto the present box. So here's a closer look, just so I can get it kind of sturdy. And then once I have it placed, I'm going ahead and add the box. This is the box that I already had before, and I already had the wrapping paper and everything on it, so I decided just to keep it. And then now I'm just changing the bow onto there. I'm taking the old gold bow out, and then I'm adding the silver bow because I wanted to match my living room decor, like I said. So that's what I'm kind of doing. I took like a wire piece, and then what is those things called? Like one of those things that like on a bread. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So I'm putting that through the bowl, and then I poke 2 holes at the top of this box, as y'all can see, and I'll be kind of adding that wire through the 2 holes that I poked, and then kind of just tighten it up so that it can stay in place. And then once it's in place, I'm going to make sure that it's centered the way I want it to. And then yeah, this is pretty much it, and then I'll be eventually stacking that on top as well. Okay y'all, so I've tried to get this top one to stay on there. I think because like since I don't have like the bottom dustpan part, I just have like the regular broomstick to this. I think that's why it's not staying on here. So I'm still going to use the same box, but I think I'm going to try to figure something out here because it would not stay on. It was just like wobbly and everything. So I kind of figured out what I had to do. I had to like turn the box sideways instead of having it up. I had to turn the box sideways. So I repoked a hole in it, and then I turned the box sideways. So there, now it stays. So now it looks like a square instead of like a rectangle look. So yeah, I'm just placing that on top now. Now it looks like it's more sturdy and everything. I just love how like the middle box looks like it's like turning or something. And then the top part, it spins too. Like that's pretty cool, but I don't want it to really spin, so I'm just gonna kind of keep it in place, and then I'm gonna basically reattach that bowl onto the top here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm gonna add the bow to this, and as y'all can see, it is matching my decor. This is the two holes that I was telling you guys about. I'm gonna replace my bow and taking that wire and putting it inside those holes that I was telling you about that I cut. I'm taking a screwdriver and I'm poking another hole. I was trying to like poke two holes to kind of pull the wire through that hole, but it actually worked with me just sticking the wire inside the hole because the hole isn't so wide. It's like a tight small hole, so I was able to just put the wire in there, and the bow stayed in place. So I was like, okay, perfect. So yeah, then now the bow is in place. This is the final result, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so y'all can be notified whenever I upload more content, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.